Yeah! Ah, see, nobody there also.
Yes, sir.
I just me and you.
Baby.
Yeah!
You have me all to yourself.
I do. Yeah!
Baby. Wait.
What's
What
here?
about the money you promised me?
Which money?
Baby, money for hand. The money you promised
You
me.
too like money. Stella, you too like money. The money never complete, oh. Go and go. You know what I completed. Is that all? Yeah! Yeah! Wait, you make a come back. No, you don't say you outside this way.
Who is that? Who is that?
Wait.
Who is that?
If you be my landlord.
Which landlord by this time? By this time?
Wait. Who be that? Okay.
Ha!
What did you do for house?
I did my house now.
I just said that church today. I said what did you do for here? What did you do school?
School day fine, you don't on your own.
Where are you going to school?
I know they go. We don't go to school today.
Shabba, you like you say you no go to school today. No be you talk say na the start exam today. So what did you do for house?
Now me they sponsor myself. Now me know when I want go and when I no want go school. Now this thing you they do. You go allow everybody come up for house finish. You go carry Ikebe go house. Abi? No wahala now.
You shall come to go school.
I know they go. No school. Leave me now. No school today now. See me see wahala. I know they go.
Everything say you don't do school since. We are waiting you want.
I want money. You give me money.
How much?
How much you give me?
Stella, wait now. She wait now. She not here. Follow talk. Stella. Stop.
Oh, I go carry Ikebe.
Go. You said you go give me that money when I get collect today.
Oh yeah, jati. Oh ma, killer day oh. Why not too much for your end? Mama, see you babe. Now which kind family be this oh? Every day na gbas gbos. Wahala dey for your side. Killer day oh.
Don't be touching me. Don't be touching me. I know what to talk about. See, I'm going to call your
Is it not different?
I'm going to call your
Yes, you're Olodo. You're Olodo.
I'm Abi.
The mechanic supposed to know that is no good. Before you do that one now.
Oga, I beg. I just go beg you. I don't take disrespect. Which I'm saying I'm a mechanic. No, say I be like a mechanic for your face. I'm an engineer. I get certificate for that work. So if you address me as engineer, we should be mechanic. I beg put respect for my name.
You be engineer? Person go give you a motor. I go now put something inside a motor.
So I be pastor. We go see the spiritual problem when they wrong with your motor. Rubbish.
No be your fault now. I don't pay you. Why do you go run your mouth?
You will not pay.
I don't pay you.
See what you wear. For 2025, see what you wear. You be like Lion of Judah. They wear animal clothes. See here. Better go sell your motor. Use the money buy bag of rice when you shop. Idiot.
What did I stop here? Papa?
Who be your papa?
This is where they chop. What will be the name again? That, where they bonbon. This place.
What is that?
Where your picking day?
Who be your picking? I don't understand. Who be your picking?
Shadrach na. Shadrach.
What's it concern with Shadrach? I better come out for here, Joe. Shadrach, you can't be any good.
Let's see the way I want chop like this.
I don't know. Let me go chop breakfast.
Tell me now. I want to give me money and go buy.
Hey. Listen. Listen. As I did like this, I no get in bank. Nothing in my hand. I never work on. Now sit down. You see me when you come here. I never work on any car.
So I want chop like this now.
I don't know. Go chop please.
Give me make I share with you now.
Which kind of wahala be this? Which kind of you know if you see a person they chop something make it. You know
I never chop now. Not be your picking. Your last born for that matter. Be your picking now. Pet me.
See, as I did like this thing I want chop today.
I know. Papa, now they do that kind of thing. Now give me something chop.
Take.
But come
You go shop, abi you no go shop.
Give me. Wetin I want chop like this
You for no
now?
collect am na.
But now, the wicked man, no.
I know
You not supposed to born pikin like this.
I know. Myself, na mistake I take born you.
This kind of papa, go now you are the vex for me. I don't know why you put me for this kind.
Nothing dey worry you. Myself, na mistake I take born you. Rubbish.
Killer day, oh.
Where's your daughter? I don't understand. Which one be say where's your daughter? You enter my workshop, now no greet me. They ask me where's your daughter. Who be your daughter?
Where is your daughter now? Where is your daughter?
Who be your daughter?
Sir, provide your daughter now or you follow us to the station.
Oh, you dey laugh?
May I go follow you go station? I beg go no vex. Which station? Filling station or police station?
Police station.
May I go police station?
Yes.
I know they go anywhere. Oh.
Arrest this man.
Arrest you. Arrest you. Say what I do.
Explain when you get to the station.
Okay, what my daughter do now?
After your daughter beat my daughter finish, enjoy am. Send her hospital daughter. Today had they argue.
My daughter.
Arrest this man, I beg.
Arrest you. For my workshop.
You will follow us when you explain better when you follow us to the station.
Okay, I know they go any station.
You don't go any station.
I know they go anywhere.
Okay, get up my
What do you want to do?
Arrest this man.
Arrest you. Arrest. Arrest you. Say what up? Okay. What are you down now? What my daughter do?
What your daughter do? You will explain when you get to the
Oh
station.
yeah.
Where they go?
Arrest. Say what up? Okay. What are you down now? What my daughter do?
What your daughter do? You will explain when you get to the station.
Oh yeah. Okay, what happen now? What be this one now? Ah! What my daughter do now? What be this one? Oh yeah, wait, may I chop my corn finish. I never chop anything today. Which kind of wahala be this now? This kind you see ya.
Make person insult me, make I come keep quiet. Say they don't born and well.
Shut up, Joe! Shut up! Shut up! What did they talk for mouth? Wait feet for your mouth. Ah! Now only you be the pikin wey dey that school. Every time fight. Put me for one trouble to another. Now police station I dey come from now because of you.
No, I dey save myself now. You know what be self defense? I dey save myself. Person for myself, I save myself. What be that one now?
You save yourself. You save yourself. Person insult you. What is supposed to do? Not to insult back.
I know they insult back.
Why they beat am?
I know they insult back. I know they get that kind of pressure. If you insult me, I go beat you.
Hi.
I go beat you. My own be that. Ah, see me see wahala.
I swear now your mama you resemble.
I don't tell you many times. Show me who my mama be. Make I know. Because like this, they tell me say I be smally. You talk well. Shut like talk small. Me I call small. Let's say so. I don't say my mama go small. Come gather for waste because they use waste to swear for you. Anything where they waste, you go follow.
Come wait till talk now.
You use waste.
Thunder go fire your mama for where she dey. Abi something dey worry you. Now me the fellow talk like that.
I'm not gonna save myself now. I don't understand now. You they blame me. Make I tell you what they worry me.
Wait till do this one. Shadrach,
Yes, Papa.
who beat you like this?
But now when they come shop, one small girl just run enter road me. I can't dive to save the girl. Nine motor can't jam me.
Yeah, Spider-Man.
No, sure. Say you supposed to stand up now. Make I sit down.
But keep quiet. Don't go thief. You dive save person. Now you know die. Try to jam you.
Shadrach, Shadrach, you know say I don't tell you this thing many times. Say you know, one day person go put tire for your neck, pop fuel, come put fire, burn you. Continue to the steal, oh. Continue to the steal.
Papa, they tell you say I'm not thief now. I'm not thief. Eh?
You know thief
motor
wetin?
jam you when they come. Why you tell I tell you something? Not the rest they hear me.
Who wan believe this no way you talk? Go to jam you, you no die. He jam you no die.
I just will say
Only.
God fit allow us pick the pikin wey we want before they come out for heaven. Because he say God fit allow. You are not supposed to come out for heaven.
Who beat you?
Yeah. I don't get time for now.
Papa, where you dey go now?
The craze.
Now me tell you make me.
Like for real. Why am I being blamed here now? For real. Like what the heck? I don't understand. Why be say this one go pick pick all you go reach other one. Now because of it they insult me.
I go slap you now.
And they stop me because of you.
Papa not there again. I go slap. What do you mean by
Eh,
that?
slap me. People no gather here for me and you know say my name no be Lucy, I dey Chris. All day. Sassy B. Oh, lebuluku. Oh, lebuluku.
I'ma see you, babe. Yeah. Now which kind family be this? Oh, every day na that's boost. Oh, God, Friday. Wahala day for your side. Wahala day your body. Trouble no buckle for your side. Wahala too much for your end. I'ma see you, babe. Yeah. Now which kind family be this? Oh,
Baby. No cellular.
Baby.
Wait till they happen. I don't wait for you since now.
I'm fine.
Yeah, fine. You sure?
Yes.
Everything do okay.
Yes,
We dilute
everything
you.
is okay.
Come on, hope say no say go give person number today.
No, I can't do that.
I can't do that. Wait, no, honey. Have fun, I'm sorry. Wait till they happen.
Okay, nothing much. Baby, you remember that sexy underwear you promised to buy for me? I want to buy it today.
Yeah.
Yes, now.
You know what actually happened? They say money no really dey my hand like that. You understand? You see all these cars wey dey here, the customer they never come carry am. They come carry am and they go pay.
Baby, just look for money from anywhere.
So if they come carry their car, money go dey. Yeah.
Baby, now. Baby, don't you want me to wear sexy underwear for you?
You want
Don't you want it?
I want it. Oh yeah.
Baby, just give me whatever when you work or collect from anybody and
Baby, I know you know say I no go lie for see. All the money wey dey with me, you no go even reach anything. No really. Go to be 50.
Yeah, just give me this one now. What you have belongs to me.
What you have said belongs to me.
Yes.
Yeah! Oh boy, my funny. Well, I say, now your own.
Yes, it's my own.
Oh no. Come here, baby. Love you. Nobody will see for night. Oh my, funny. Yeah! Stella! Yeah!
Take it easy, baby.
I
love you.
Yeah.
See what the first Papa dey do. After you go tell us say you no get money, they carry your money, they give yansh. You carry money, they give yansh. I go tell you something now what you dey your money.
Abi go, come here. Go punish you for that thing. Man, no cut. Go punish. Na me dey follow.
You take us to your papa, oh!
Go punish.
I know.
You go.
You don't punish and finish.
Hello. Oga, you dey my shop. I know they come shop today now. No worry, just come next week. You go collect your motor. Come next week. They don already buy the engine. You know say yesterday na barometer. As the guy dey come, the VI will stop am. Tomorrow, I go call you, no wahala. Alright, sir.
Papa,
Okay. Wetin happen?
I don't dey go.
They go now.
My money for the project.
I don't get money.
I say the project where you say you go give me money for the project.
I say I don't get money.
I don't understand. Which time be you not get money? You know they work. Every day you dey go work, you dey tell me say you no dey get money. When you go ever get money for this house? I beg you, make I dey go school.
Come, what be your problem, sef? Now you be the first person who go send yourself go school. Check it. Now you be the first person. Not the other people they send themselves go school. Now by force make you collect money from your papa.
Takam. I don't catch her. Because tomorrow now, una type of people go talk say, after everything I've done for you. After everything I've done for you, they don't say you know they do anything for me. Oh. Now me they train myself go school. Now me be the breadwinner of this family. Oh. If you don't know,
Now you be
no
very
wahala.
well. I come out for here, make they go school.
No wahala. Make her dey go. That money where they save, they go use that last do your burial. I go shock you.
You say wait, come here. Go. For this idiot. I know. See as he be like Toshiba power bank. I don't understand. Now by force to born pikin. Now by force. If no be say abortion, they very illegal. Now me myself suppose use and comot now from na mama belle that my throw away una. Idiot.
Now which kind family be this? Oh, every day na gas boost.
Yeah. Uje.
What you dey do for here now? Sure you supposed to school. I don't understand.
Uje namba. Ojok bejaba. Na here you dey na.
I don't understand you. You supposed to school. I dey do my waka. You dey
I suppose dey school. Where you suppose dey shop? Where you dey go?
Hey,
You tell Papa say you dey go shop. Now you want Colombina go meet girl. You dey go girl house. Let me come here. Cause I know your plan.
how you take no say na girl house I dey go?
I dey monitor your moves now. You don't know. Now make I know say you go. Now make I stand there. They wait for you.
See me and you no be mate, so you guys realize say I be your elder brother. You
The
know what they tell
area-
me wetin to do.
The area you realize say me I be your monitoring spirit, the better for you.
God, Jesus.
Anywhere you go, I go follow you. I go follow you. Anywhere you go, I go follow you.
But I no beg you now. I beg you make you follow me.
You don't need follow me, I go follow you. Oh yeah, Alele, back to shop.
Wait, you dey order me as per say.
Go back to shop now, or I'll tell Papa. No, now catch you as they slap, I go to shout now.
See your money.
I don't say I no carry money come out today.
Your money dey back.
I no carry money. I go follow you.
Yeah. See, nobody dey house.
Yes, sir.
I just me and you.
Baby.
Yeah.
You have me all to yourself.
I do. Wole kole. Yeah. Maybe we start from
Wait.
here.
What
Yeah.
about the money you promised me?
Which money?
Baby, money for hand. The money you promised
You
me.
too like money. Say that you too like money. The money never complete though. But I will know what I complete. Is that all? Yeah! Yeah! Wait, you make a come up. You don't say you outside this sweat.
Who is that? Who is that?
If you be my landlord.
Which landlord by this time? By this time?
Wait. Who be that? Okay.
Ha!
What did you do for house?
I dey my house now.
I think say na church you dey. I say what you do for here? What you do school?
School dey fine, you don on your own.
We are going to go school.
I know they go. We no get school today.
Shabba dey nice. We should say you no go school today. No be you talk say na the start exam today. So what did you do for house?
Now me dey sponsor myself. Now me know when I want go and when I no want go school. Now this thing you dey do. You go allow everybody come up for house finish. You go carry Ikebe come house. Abi? No wahala now.
We shall come to go school.
I know they go. No school. Leave me now. No school today now. See me see wahala. I know they go.
Everything say you don't do school since. We are waiting you want.
I want money. You give me money.
How much?
How much you give me?
Stella, wait now. Say wait now. Say now you follow us. Stella. Stop.
You want to carry Ikebe.
Go. You say you go give me that money when I get collect today.
Wahala dey for your side.
Oga Friday. Oga Friday. Good afternoon, Jerry.
Madam.
I don't come. Your money now.
Which money?
I
I don't
don't-
come tomorrow. I don't get money today.
Now what's they talk since 2 weeks? I never pay shishi since 2 weeks.
Wait, I don't understand. Waiting concern if I never pay money since 2 weeks. So make I no shop because I want save money for a girl.
No verse. I mean well for you. That's I just dey try advice you say you go to the save, you
I
get.
know say it's good to save, but make I first save myself. Abi, you wan come here come see obituary for what? Say Oga Friday don die because of Oga.
God forbid.
Abeg,
You no fit die.
Thank you. Come tomorrow. Wait. Have you seen like 3-5 for that?
She no fit see. Sapa sef hold me. Oga, dey try save up.
Sapa hold you.
Sapa hold me go.
No be you say make I dey save.
You got to dey save now.
Okay. No wahala. Come, where this boy? Shadrach!
You wan bring the money?
Which money? Madam, better dey go. I no get any money. Oh.
Na what for you?
Na what for you too?
I beg you.
Shadrach! Where this boy?
Okay, so who said are you now? Okay, are you the one?
Okay, you're the one?
Okay.
Okay. Good afternoon, ma.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, ma. Somebody come and say you need a cleaner. Are you the one?
Yes, are you the one that wants to clean?
Yes, ma.
Are you sure you can clean?
Yes, ma. Yes,
Now
ma.
you clean my parlor, my kitchen, and part of the rooms.
Okay, I can clean everywhere.
Alright, let's
Which kind of result with this one now? What's I want them up like this? What's I want them, Papa? So now you go use mouth to finish me like this. So I don't get that time, I don't get that strength. Ha! This teacher say, we know they even pity person. We're not gonna say people, parents, they wicked, where you know go see pity am. You can't resolve with this. What I want to do like this?
Tam 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 tom 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 tom. Pam! I catch you.
You catch me do what?
I don't understand.
What
you want to do just now?
What's I be want?
You don't feel finish now to come the alter result na be your own, Abi.
Why you shout am like this? Make everybody hear.
Why I no go shout? Why I no go shout am?
Down,
Why I no go shout? If you catch me, they do bad thing. You know they shout am. To fiakwa for you too. To fiakwa, fia. Pour you
You
spit.
don't do. Calm down. Wow. Who tell her now? Why you want to like concern? It be your business now.
Hannah.
Oh yeah,
If
sorry.
you not be sorry, go end am. If you know make I tell Papa like this, you go press me small money. Man, you say small money don't do.
I don't say now what you want. If na money go make you shut up. After na me they feed all of una for this house.
Bring her come. I'm not ashamed. Bring it. Bring it.
Take.
How much be this one?
Check am now. You no get money.
Who you want buy with 3,000? I see the one where 4. Adam join. Or else I go tell Papa.
Take and shut up your mouth.
I will shut up my mouth. Leave him. Congratulations on your second position. Oh, but you know, Buko. See, just carry second.
I swear.
Just change her. Oh, boy. Intelligent Lulu.
I swear.
Smart Lulu.
Lodo. See everything 000.
Change them. I got your back. Eh?
It go show.
You not go show no. Just change her. Eh?
Come. Shey you know say na since yesterday I dey ask you for your school result. You dey there dey carry shoulder up. Wetin dey do you wey dey carry shoulder up? Where your result?
I'm coming.
Huh.
Nothing do my shoulder. Just say na me be the most intelligent child in this house, in this family.
Wait, come. Lucia. Now you get this result.
You don't see my name there. Lucia Friday.
Now you carry second.
Now me carry am. It's shocking.
Now you carry step. Now your result with this.
Not me.
Ha!
I swear.
Consider for yeah. I don't know. Say that my brain you carry. Now you get this result.
Now we get her. Now we get her second position. You know easy. Like I tell myself, say now me go break the yoke of this family. Now me go be different. Like I be different person entirely for this family.
This is what you do. You just make my day. Because if I know now only you are supposed to born. That your brother. Now mistake. But I don't let my mistake.
I talk I say make her be one person will go different for this family. Make her break the yoke.
And this even better. You better.
I don't break the yoke like this. Make her just go keep her inside.
No, sit down, don't worry. Sit down. Sit down. Papa, I did on my own. I just did on my own. Shebule just come hit me twa. Papa,
Waiting.
I get breaking news for you.
Wow.
Which news you want break?
Which needs one broke? We are doing jubilation here. You don't need to bring jubilation.
Papa, I just want to make you know say no difference between our three. Now the same brain when you carry. Now Lucia carry. Now I carry.
Come on, what do you mean by that?
Papa, this is not when Lucia hold so. Now she change and put second for there.
What do you mean by that? Like, are you being serious?
Hey, give me, sit down. Papa, check the grade and check here. I was too smart. I just had to check.
Wait. Lucia. How you take carry second when you get 2 for CRK? You get 2 for CRK. You where Jesus die for CRK.
Actually, is all these courses that you know.
Which courses? You are cursed. I know am. I don't know. Say na mama brain na carry. Nothing wait. Oh no, do. Take it job.
It's not really my fault. So the thing is that each time I dey get to read my book, I know they get myself for this house. Every day now me go cook, now me go clear house, now me go wash plates, now me go run errand, now me go sit there do my side hustle. I want to read my book. Not my fault. Yes. So next time, don't be like this. Next time I will go out or go. But like this, I don't want to go school again.
Very good. You know they go any school again, even Bible school, you know go. Because I just waste money for nothing. This idiot, this one will steal the money where I make.
You know they pay my school anything.
I saw what? Not my house they live. From tomorrow, you go they follow me go shop.
Exactly. Maybe
the money where this one thief, you don't reach. Can't join now.
And all of us no get future. No just do mechanic.
I give my money. You tell us I give you money, may you shut up.
I know that Papa don't need to hear that one now.
No, you tell her.
It not be your result.
That's to cast me your own Abby. Give my money back.
Wait. She give you money to shut up.
Papa should give me money to help her change them.
Say I won't give it now.
Papa don't fight you.
Where you not say they go? Next time, don't stress yourself, yeah? One do this kind of thing, follow back door. So that once they come and reach you, go just to one man. After, where they go this night? Where you dey go this night? You and your partner, una don't swear say una no dey get to yourself again for this life. Your papa go dey follow woman, you two go dey follow woman. Woman wey big pass you. You don't trade all your brain, your destiny on top of my head. That's why you they waste your destiny like this. You don't get value again, no. You don't get value. You don't use and finish on top of my head. Woman go do you shaggy. You go cry. Trust me, you go cry.
Don't be your fault.
You go cry.
You don't really see me finish for this house. You don't really see me finish.
I don't really see you finish now. If I don't see you finish, how about you know what you do? I don't see. I mean, you meant another place. Make I know whether I do see another place. I can never see this side.
If I slap you.
Make I go past you. Come back now. Come back. Mugu. I don't see you finish. Opoto. Since now the mumu na step up and down. Anywhere where una go drop signature. They must not say these people enter here. Siakwa. I don't know who carry me enter this family. God I beg go. Save me. Make I not follow. Make I not join this their nonsense lifestyle. Hey, what are you still doing now? Just tighten this thing, lose this thing, tighten it, hook it with this one and fix it properly. Fast. What are you doing under that car?
Sorry,
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Standing before you is Lucia, a well-educated mechanical engineer. So, hereby today, I want to know what we can do to help you. How can we help you, sir?
I don't understand. Don't be a mechanic workshop with this.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to tell you. That this is a well-trained, proper, where you can meet educated engineers here. So what can we do for you?
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Where your car is?
Nah, Papa, now calm down. I don't know. Calm down now. Why they carry talk from my mouth? Sorry, sir. Like I was saying before he interrupted us. So this is the mechanical engineer.
Hey, this one you go too much. My car break down for that junction. I come here, I need mechanic. May go help me fix my car.
Okay, so what's the name of your car and what's the color? Can you explain more? What happened to your car? Like
This is a
what?
mechanic workshop. You know what? I'll go find another mechanic.
No.
like-
Oga, no. Hey! Oga, no mind now, Jari. No mind now.
This English is too much
Sorry,
now for
sir.
person who can't repair car.
Sorry, sir. No vex. Where your car is?
You did that junction now.
Oh, yeah, no, I make I carry my tools. I dey come there.
I bet hurry up. I hope say your money no go too much.
No,
Oh.
nah. Oga, I dey with you. I dey with you.
This is your customer now, Lodo. All of them, all of them are the same. This shit, I don't like this shit.
Say you know say something dey worry you.
What happened now?
Say you wan use English pursue my customer.
I dey tell them so they attend to customers. Now when make I begin to speak PG, when they know say I don't know anything.
Lucia, I beg. I just go beg you. This work why I say, this shop why I say make you come. I no talk say make you can't do any cow. Come watch wetin I dey do for here.
When
Yeah.
I call the watch, I be looking.
Okay, they come.
These people like customer like papa. Yeah. So as I attend to her, you know they like all this Oyibo thing. All of them Olodo. Okay, do that thing. Come on now.
Wahala dey for your side.
Shedra. Hey. Shedra, come shaka na bad nigga.
Why you dey hear me? Wetin happen now? Wetin happen?
Don't be me that they see 1, 2, 3, G's or 4, 5.
When you have my, I don't understand my mistake concern you now. I dey get private meeting with my destiny now. You dey come put your eye for wetin I dey chop.
Shedra, who give you money for buying meat? Now make you come hide for this place, see this boy. You don't steal another money from Papa.
Which you go just sit down there now, just rubbish talk you go dey talk.
I know, you think I'm
Papa get money
not.
no dey thief. Even me and you know say Papa dey hold the air when he dey breathe. You dey tell me say I thief Papa money. How?
You too, you know say you know be man. You know get money. You dey follow your Papa footstep. Like you dey follow the air when they breathe too. As you no get money, don't transfer the this thing Papa to na inheritance.
See, you don't really see me finish. All this your insult too dey much. If I attack you now, they go say I don't start.
Okay, you know thief from Papa. Who you can't thief from? Cannot say thief from person. Who you thief from? Talk true. Oh yeah, whisper to me. No.
If I slap that ear when you dey cry, they hear me. You which kind of insult this one now?
Ole buruku. Is that so? Who you thief money from? Yeah, give me one.
See, I talk am. I know say you come here with purpose.
Don't they shout now?
Now why you come here today? See this meat, it get calling. You dey hear me? Your mouth no dey for the ministry, so no expect.
Sit down, make we talk like brother and sister now. Why they?
Collect chop. If you want to do cham, collect chop.
Give me now. Why you go stingy for everything?
If you near you, I go elbow you now.
Why must you do this to me? Like why? Why must you insult? Am I not your sister again?
If you near me.
Does that mean that you will not marry?
Leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone. Just leave me alone.
It's not good though. It's not good though. Shabina, how you wanted to do it now? It's not good though. No one now, no one. Just your own, just fit you. No one. No, just the run they go. No come back. The run they go. You don't your own today. Tomorrow na my turn.
Wahala dey your body.
Wait. See wait happen. No worry.
Yeah, what did they eat?
Come sit down.
Wait now.
My baby.
Give me 7:30.
Joko. Oh no. Yeah, sit down. No worry. I dey come here just arrange that leave. Ella, yeah.
Give me 5-8.
No, use this one.
What's the name?
I don't know, just use them.
Baby, hurry.
Lucia.
What happened? What happened?
Men, stand up. Stand up. I go slap. Stand up.
Tapu.
Who carry my money? Who I put for other people inside?
Why you point me now? Now you chop meat. Chop meat 1,000. Give me meat.
No be to that na my money I take buy meat. Now wetin dey do you sef now?
Where my money?
That na my money I take buy meat. I swear to God.
Which money you get?
I go outside work now. They pay me now. No, my money. I used to buy meat for you. You know they here.
I know that. Wait, which one be outside work? Not my workshop. They work.
I can't take walk.
Set up like that.
Where my money?
If you are saying the crate, you will carry my money. Baby, I dey come.
I'm not getting the money.
No, baby,
They are
wait.
getting it.
Baby,
Calm
wait.
down.
I'll get the money.
Wait,
Baby, I go get the money for you. Say see what it cost.
Baby, come. You are getting the money.
Say
Baby.
see what it cost. Make I no cash you. Lulu, what happened?
I will find my pants. Make I wash them. Against tomorrow. I won't wear them tomorrow.
You dey find pants for midnight.
I don't wash them now. I don't go wash them. I won't wear them tomorrow.
Sleep now, you be winch.
Baby, no worry. You know what? Tomorrow I go give you my boxers. You go wear.
My boxers go too big.
We go sleep fit am. No worry. Come sleep.
Now only one pant.
No worry now. Shebi na me say I go give you my boxer. Sleep. See me that sit time where they wake up.
But just remember, say I go. Look, I just go read. Like, I go read, you know. I don't read now.
Wetin you want? Wetin they read for? Now you know they go school. Wetin they read for?
No, now make I get more knowledge.
Which book you want read? You dey see the time at all?
I know. They say knowledge is power. I want to get knowledge.
So this book where you want read now, which chapter you want start from?
Chapter 23. Perspective is power thing. Seriously,
Come. Because me, I know wetin I dey. You know good make person dey read for me.
No.
If I know wetin I dey. If they affect brain, now wetin affect my own brain.
Our teacher say make I dey read that. So that we go dey enter brain. Na me like be the perfect time to read.
Lucy.
Give her money. Let her read.
Now make I just manage sleep. But tomorrow morning I go read that more.
Tomorrow morning, no worry. I go even put her here. Tomorrow as you wake up like this, now wetin you go first read. Yeah, sleep. No worry. Face that side.
Holy Ghost fire! Back to sender! Holy Ghost! Consume by fire! Send you back to sender! From the east, from the west, from the north! Holy Ghost! Consume by fire! But die by fire!
Now you go die by fire today. In a crate. You think I'm planning to play with you? Now you go die by fire. I go lock inside.
No, inside that place.
No. Now there you go sleep tonight. In a crate. Now inside that party you go sleep tonight. Idiots. Baby. Are you ready?
Oh yeah, jati.
My lovely sister. You dey enjoy you?
Oga, drop that thing. Nah. Drop her now. Now you buy her for me.
Wait, because of drink when you manage buy, now why you dey insult me?
Drop her for
I
me.
go drop am, no wahala.
Why you dey come back by this time? What's it with the time?
I go slap you. Me and you na mate. Who you dey ask why you dey come back by this time?
Me and you na mate abi. Now you want to take my drink. As una don't swear say na me go be una mama, una grandmama, una big sister, una grandpapa, everything for this house. Una don't swear say una go dey make my head dey burst, una go dey make me dey talk. Wetin make you dey come back by this time? Only me come to this house. Your papa don carry woman comot. You carry woman comot too. Woman wanna be your size. Okay, so if me I decide now say as you and your papa don dey do this kind of thing, make I join the line. Make I carry man dey walk up and down. How you go feel?
You don't get any day I stop you from carrying man. You don't get you they do when I poke nose, I chook my nose inside. But you always chook your nose inside my own matter.
This boy don't Otilo, go, far. You don't go. Don't make whatever again. So now if person open my tell you say your sister with man no. You don't go do anything. Because say I dey give you way to follow your own woman. It's our family, eh? True, your papa no get sense. Like una all of una for this family, una don't till eh. Yeah. Why you dey come back by this time? It should not be on my mind. I will have you better slap. Go back down. That place where you come back from, go back sleep there.
You see the way they look here, I just dey think of what I want to do you now. Like what I go just do you now when go just sound like
Give me that
Wahala dey your body. Oga Friday. Trouble no buckle for your side. Oga Friday. Too much.
Who that guy with the
Oh. That's my brother.
brother?
Yes.
Show me say that your which one be brother? I don't know any brother. You never introduced brother to me before. You only brother.
Baby, now. That's my brother. You think I'm lying to you? Baby, you don't trust me.
I trust you, but you never introduced brother to me before.
But I would have still done that now.
Now question I know be say I did at first.
I will introduce him later to you.
Oh yeah, I don't hear. You dey quick vex sometimes. If you know say I love you pass all this one.
Yes.
Thank God I even meet you for here. Now your house I dey go. Guess what?
What?
I buy you asaru.
What's that?
Porridge.
Porridge. Wow, that's nice. I like it.
Wait, you get light for us? Yeah, baby. I even help you buy chickens.
Mommy. Go bring more now.
You don't see biscuits now. Don't tell your mommy. When you see your mommy, you no go recognize her.
So na bad thing after I come and this sister my mommy.
When last you call me sweet name for this house? Don't check on me. You need to go there ever come this house. This Papa girlfriend.
I know now what's happen.
Listen, that girl is so Papa dry.
Choy.
Like, Papa will stand like this, nothing go, no flesh, like nothing go come out. They like, Okpo. Anywhere where they tell and go, anything where tell and nothing go do. When Papa send you money or give you money for this house.
Choy, I talk this thing. I talk this. No wonder Papa not they give us money. Now why are they thief? Now why are they thief? Because Papa not they give me money again.
This kind life, we give small picking convulsion. Which kind now why you they thief? Talk and small. We don't know catch you. Which kind now why you they thief? Me when they thief, even when they carry me like this, they thief. And they hear your gist now.
Which kind?
Thief so that the one use tire upon you. Papa use 100 pa save you. I am.
Wait, just because I support you now, it say you go feel insult. Not be support, I support. She will supposed to support each other.
If you don't support person, make you know they talk good about yourself because everybody know you. Be like.
Oh yeah, no verse. Back to the matter. What you want to do now?
What you want to say? I want to know for sure. Make sure they come this place again.
Choy, my sister, you sharp die. Nice idea. So that now Papa go they give us money. But wait, how we want take chase person when he busy and Papa they follow? If we chase her today, Papa go follow her go where we chase her go now.
Man, who teach you that show when you talk? What's the meaning of show? As they talk the show, they talk like person when you guess it like show. They bring out all your head, all your brain.
Cho, now say you they make sense.
Cho, your brain like cho. You know they learn. Some people they learn better things. You they learn new things.
Like now because you they feed me today now. Why you think say you go feed the insult me?
They feed adult like you. Think say it is.
My sister, I beg you, man.
Go chase and come out. I believe they game. I believe no game.
I do game. I give them down.
Come on, yeah. What is that? What do you mean?
Try another one, I beg. My sister. My sister. Let Papa go, sir.
Where the waka?
Hey.
Oh. Where do go?
Oh, no.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, little children. Where's your father?
He's inside.
He's inside.
Straight down like sausage.
Good.
Hey! Devil don't fall for ground.
Masha.
Hey, don't fall for ground.
Masha, elephant don't fall for ground.
Macha.
Come outside like that. Very good. Come outside.
Uncle, why you don't want me? When the sister love start? Hold on now.
Hey! Now say na play, they follow na play. And they follow na talk, na they talk. You make crazy. I want to ask you one question. What is Stella do now when I fall down? Stella.
Who is Stella? Stella Damascus. I mean, Stella Odua.
You even know Stella Damascus. Me, I know Stella na person name.
Picture of Stella.
Unade. Wait. Men, come. I let the bitch now. Come outside. You like that? Na mama dey see so. Na mama don come.
Na prank.
She dey here. Go. Oga, I no go lie for you. 35K you no go work am. Na Ladipo I dey go now. Okay, video okay, I go say it okay. Wait, make I come out, but make you yourself hear the amount yourself. No worry. Hello, Sadiq. Alpha. Jọ̀ọ́ ṣó ní bọ́ọ̀lì Corolla. Hello ni. Oga, you say here. You hear wetin talk?
Alpha.
So,
Alpha, my bro. My bro. Alpha. Let me see your pockets. What do you steal?
Oh yeah,
Which one you don't
wait.
go?
Sam, na airport I thief. This
Hey,
thing.
you go give me one, collect one. Now, let's
Come
ask
here.
the manager.
If I give you one, the thing don't spoil now.
You go give me one, collect one. I don't want no. You go give me one, take one. I know that. Let me be a manager. You go give me one, take
If
one.
they catch me now, you go follow me chop beating.
Ah,
Oh yeah, come.
I go.
Go thief.
Sadiq.
You go eat.
Yes, Papa. What's the motor of now?
We dey arrange car.
Buy something.
Go carry the oil of this motor come.
Oh yeah, now look there. Lucy, I come go carry the oil.
You go give me.
Yeah, yes,
You
now.
sure?
Yes,
Go
now.
give me one.
Yes, now.
Come.
Oh, yeah,
Don't say I want go chop.
No, daddy, now our money one share.
Do fast, I dey wait for you. Yeah. What that for dey? Na the fuel be that. Come. Nothing wey you wan tell me. You leave yourself inside your mama womb. Because if you talk rubbish for there.
Hi, baby.
Hey, oh baby. Yeah, how are you? Wow, me I follow you talk.
Baby. You know, I decided to bring you something special before going to work.
For me.
For you.
You buy me food, seller.
Baby, you deserve it now.
See turkey. Hey, wow, Thank you.
Anything for you, my love. So, baby, this evening, right?
Stella. Yeah! Oh no! Come, go put it inside for me. Where's your dad today? No, if no be nyash your mama get, say I suppose born you. Where's your dad today? No. Go bring my food, my shop first.
No. You tell me make I go. You supposed to shop at once now.
I mean they follow talk like that. You want to throw the food? Bring food, Ija. Want to throw food? You land. Oh no. That chicken big. Fine. What is this?
What happened?
What kind of food with this?
Hey, now your baby bring her now.
Why did you put salt plenty like this?
Hey, I talk am. She no sabi cook now. Na babe where you dey walk up and down. Person wey carry her she dey flaunt. I want take cook.
Say, Take. Go buy me another food. Go buy me another food, Joe.
Money.
What kind of food is this?
Give me money now. I don't want to chop again.
Okay, let's do money.
Give me money for your own food. You know what I'm giving. No wahala.
Wahala dey your body, Oga Friday. Trouble no buckle for your side, Oga Friday. Wahala too much for your end, Oga Friday. Omo see go be, Oga Friday. Now which kind family be this, Oga Friday? Every day na that's boost. Oga Friday, Oga Friday, Oga Friday. Wahala dey for your side.
Where your clothes?
Wahala dey your body.
Where you down? Lucia!
Omo see go be. Now which kind family be this? Oh, every day na gas boost.
Lucia! Lucia!
Eh?
Oh my God, my clothes! My clothes!
What did they do? You create?
Hey!
Baby, calm down.
No, na today be Sunday. Today na holiday. Una one spoil am with iniquity. No good now. Every day iniquity. Una calm down now.
So now why you burn her clothes?
Today is holy.
Do you know how much I bought these clothes?
How much?
Do you know how I bought it 500,000?
Only 500,000.
Baby, calm down.
I bought it for 500,000. You
No worry, calm down now. Calm down, baby. I go buy another one for
will
you.
give me the money.
The 500,000. No worry, go buy another
You will
clothes.
give me the money.
I bet. Leave her. What you want me to? Come. Don't worry.
Look at my clothes. Look at my clothes. Look at my clothes.
Wait, look.
I bought this clothes 500,000.
Don't worry
You're going to
now.
give me the money. You're going to give me that 500,000. You're going to give me the money.
Baby, now style. You know how those slaves where they get home. You know see. It depends on the way you wear it. Babe, wait now. Yeah.
No get what they do. You're not just in the hack motor.
Oga. Oga Friday. Oga, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. I just
Finish it.
everything don't do alright.
Before
So
it's-
long.
Let me find something.
Oga, you don't need all that one. What did they do for you? Go continue your work.
Oga Friday.
Sir.
What did happen?
What's up?
What's going on here? I left some money in my PGO. I can't find it. It's no longer there.
Oga, calm down. You don't check your dashboard. No, I just say yes. May check everywhere because nobody will carry.
So me, I go lie for you. I say no,
nah,
take it.
why I go talk that kind of thing? Check the bonnet and the boot. Shedrack,
Yes, Papa.
come.
Papa, I did do something for.
They be the crazy. They do waiting.
Sorry, Papa.
Where the money?
Papa, which money now?
Shedrack, I no go ask you again. No. Where the money?
Hey, Papa, talk am. That time when you come out go buy something when they work for you, those boys who come clean this guy, get one when enter inside. Now that boy not collect am. Papa call them, make them bring the money.
Now the boys carry.
Yes, now one of them collect am.
Shedrack, you know say I no go ask you this thing again. You know say I no go. You know say if I change that for you now,
You see, you not there when the boys come collect, come watch.
bring out your pocket.
Oga Friday.
No, Oga, make I deal with am.
Papa, why you
Make
dey-
I deal with am.
Don't worry. It's okay.
You sure?
You no go talk. You no go.
No worry, Oga. Maybe if you reach out, may check inside your cupboard. If you dey there. So sorry, sir. Eh? So sorry, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n.
Oga sir. Oga ayi. Odogu. Baba, I give it to Wale.
I don't understand wetin happen. Why you dey hate me?
Daily one mama. Tene. I know you. You know say me and you we know ourselves. I know say na you tip that money where this customer dey complain about. You tip the money where that customer dey fight. You call dey work. Wetin you know say they do for this place?
Stop this thing what you dey do now. You see me like say I tip money. I come in now dey work now. You say
When you start to the work, you know the owner of this car. You know when they pack this car? What be the fault for this car? What be the fault? You when they teach this work since day, you don't want to put your mind. Not today when money they miss. Ha. Today when you don't do something, now you know say work on fix car.
So you do a lot for this job now, me, Abi. As if they do more money heist for inside daddy mechanic workshop.
You don't suppose they fake this the way they fake. You suppose not say normally. Me and you don't know ourselves. You don't suppose they hide something for me. I know you, you know me.
Well,
My brother, how far that money big?
you the mad self now because I do the follow
You the mad. So tell me,
you could hear.
Oh, you too.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's why you talk back to sender.
Smart quality. My skeleton.
Oh yeah, now come now. Come now.
Man, no.
If I give you one, if I give you one, now you
Nah,
will
go
not
call them. If I don't call them,
oh, yeah, come now, come first, come. I'll sit down.
How you know I said?
Just sit down.
I know you.
I know Tiffany. Who you want
Who
to go
is your guy? Mugu.
My God, sister to Mugu is a Mugu.
It's a Mugu that. You don't say I know you. You don't do car.
Yeah.
Now today you don't say you don't do car. Better to enter your eyes though. Ah. Now here you dey. I don't find you since. I dey hungry since you dey drink this thing. I beg give me make I drink small.
Okay.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
Hello. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Please, I'm looking for one girl that I used to clean. She cleans, she washes, and everything.
Lucia.
Lucia. Thank
Oh
you.
yeah. You get
Please,
job.
let's go.
The person no dey.
Eh?
What do you mean by say person no day? You don't want work
The
today.
person no dey. Now you dey do the work.
Sorry, I said the person no day.
The person no dey. Baba give me food, let me chop. The person no dey. Give me food, chop. Give me food, chop. Give me food, chop. Make I chop. I'm not gonna die. No, like give me food, chop. Chakam. Pose. Chicken. Chakam. Thank you. So that tomorrow I not go here say no be me thief, I know the thief. How far, bros? You the thief? My brother, I asked you before say the money big, you don't say anything. How far the money big, sure.
Which kind problem be this one for this shop again now? You just be like bad network, just they appear every time. Which kind problem be this
I
one?
I be your Wi-Fi. I go they connect anytime where they close to me, you go just connect like that. I be your wait till they call am again. Nightmare. Yes, we share the money fast. Share, make I go. As I no go work today, I go know wetin cause am. Oh yeah, oh.
Oh yeah, collect.
You dey whine. No, you dey play with me. You dey give that nonsense. I don't understand. Bro, share that thing equal. Don't vex
Take
me.
now, which one be?
Share that thing equal. No know the country where you dey. Leave me alone. Share am equal. Papa, make I go cast you. Leave me now. Leave me. Hey! Wait, you wan kill me? As I dance somebody like this now, my spirit stop and pass. Oh, you know, no,
No wahala. Take.
Brother, keep am back. My happy share.
Take this one now. Which one? Now equal. I share am now.
Keep am back. Start to take share money equal. Keep am well like this. Go make sure say it balance like this.
You don't be like spiritual POS. Every time I mean they insert sin, now you they withdraw the punishment for me. Which kind sister I don't go get?
Don't balance. Don't balance. Take now. Now this your work makes sense.
Wait,
so.
now what thing they give me from inside the money night thief?
Yes, now yes. Put that for pocket. Make person no catch us.
You never collect your share. They come out now. Which one?
Put that for pocket. Like we discuss.
Come out from here. Which one be discuss?
Even that cigarette, I go cast you.
Oh yeah, I don't do.
After me, we discuss business, my bro.
Yeah, I keep that money for special place before our concert your pocket.
After I want be your manager. So when they add money, I make I no see that time. Hey, my brother, don't go. Like business don't go far. Hey, Bro, I want to be your manager. How I go to do?
I'm not interested.
I'm not begging you. I'm commanding you.
I'm not interested now by
I want to be your, for today I'll be your manager.
Okay, no problem.
So go into the world and multiply.
No problem.
Any work you want to do, come and sign. If you come back, you come still sign. Make I know say how fast, see how much you make.
I don't want now by force.
You go one time.
I don't want now. Show.
You go one time. Come down, discuss business.
Go back. Now why you follow me? I don't understand. Day your day, my day, my day.
Oh yeah, now no wahala. Check out, they follow you again, no.
What do you go tell my girlfriend?
Leave me, which girlfriend? You don't get girlfriend. You dey follow sugar mommy, they call her girlfriend. Sugar mommy wanna be your age mate. Your mates, they follow their mates. You dey follow old mama. I tell her, say, make she leave you. Say she dey corrupt you. You be like a son to her. She leave you alone.
Lucia, but whether I follow sugar mommy, whether I follow young girl, how we take concern you now? How you concern you? Why you monitor my life?
You never stand ground. You dey help another person.
You dey come small pikin?
You know this one. See, you go give me.
Hey, put that down. Come, what's it happen for you? I said something to warn you. What's it happen for you?
Papa, what now? But one day before you go come, I don't kill this girl.
Hey, what's it happen?
Now your pikin want kill me because of sugar mommy where you get. They call her girlfriend.
Wait. Shadrach.
Sir?
Now true, wait she talk. You get sugar mommy.
Daddy, I not get sugar mommy. Na girlfriend I get, and I not get any sugar mommy.
You get mad to the time say you get girlfriend. Oh Lord. You get girlfriend. I thought how old you be when you get girlfriend? I want waiting that girlfriend they see for your body. I want come on that nika. May I see waiting the girlfriend they see. Waiting. Waiting be ya. I know be your papa. Come on that nika. May I see.
Papa, I don't come my nika in front of where this small girl. Now what you get now? I get to. I don't come my nika in front of where this small girl dey.
What do you mean by saying that waiting I get you get? So you get bazooka.
Papa, I get bazooka now.
You sabi that?
I don't use that too.
Yes, yes. So you dey do ta. I suppose don't know. My grandfather get bazooka. Me say I get. I know. I suppose don't know. Say himself go get.
But make I even ask questions, sef. You cannot understand this two of una. How una take meet? Una be son and big father. I be na brother and brother. I don't understand. How you take born am?
Secondary school I born am now.
Secondary school. They say you go school, go they give you my belly.
What do you mean?
Now you dey follow now. Now your age. Now where you
Shut up your mouth, Joe. Now you gonna go resemble your mama. No set at all. No set on her head. Now say your mama dey jump from one man to another.
But it jump to you now. You use her.
Put up now. Now they craze.
It jump to maybe when I get to her age, I go jump to her.
I said, now come on, punish both of them. Now one man kill you now.
Baby, you know I love you so much now.
It's not about the money.
Money. You don't know past money. Every time money. I love you.
Send the money
Why you do like this now? Do me now. Just send it. Dear ground.
Now you send the money.
Just enjoy your trip now.
No, John, you have to send the money first.
I love. See, don't worry. I promise you.
Stella, who be this guy?
Babe, who the hell is this man?
Say, come now, me be who the hair. Baby, who the hair is this man?
Hey, excuse me, please. I think it's high time you leave here right now. If you don't want me to embarrass you, please leave here.
God go punish you if you don't embarrass me. I go back in the place. God go punish you if you don't embarrass. Babe, hey, I follow. You know they talk anything. Follow this guy. Talk, make it stand. Tell him make it stand up.
Nobody look say because you see fine boy. You me say get Chris for head though.
You mean say I get Chris for head?
You don't know me.
Welcome to Chris level.
You don't know me, baby. Tell him now.
Oh, yeah, now
baby, tell him. We go out.
Tell him now.
Okay, I know what's.
I be got one punch. I got stand up. They sit down in my bed. They follow you.
Security.
Where's security?
Follow you.
Oh yeah, call security now.
Security.
Call the security. You dey craze.
Babe, you see this? You see? You
know. Oh yeah, stand up. Maybe we go house.
Babe,
stand up. Maybe we go house.
If they burn you well, leave this table. If let's say you don't know why, if they burn you well, leave this table. Where they spend the money now? How much this airway she dey use? Don't make me buy am for am. This her wristwatch, don't make me buy am. She no fit come on, na me dey spend. How much you dey spend for am? They say make she. If you born US, stand up. I go collect everything wey I don buy for you today.
Stella. So now person wey dey follow talk with this. Oga, stand up. I want to sit down for my.
If I no get time, if I say we go change.
Oga, stand up. You're crazy. It is not plan to play with you.
Ah.
Wait, if I nod you,
I go give you left.
You go wait. Oh yeah now. Oh yeah. Yeah. See what? Yeah. No dey touch me, Joe. No dey touch me. You should no dey touch me. Talk wetin you wan talk. You must too touch me to talk. Talk wetin you wan talk. No touch me.
Okay, wait now. Babe, I'm so sorry. Listen, you don't need to do this now. Why are you avoiding me? I didn't even know that you were going to be there.
Say you gats know say I go dey there. How you go? For your mind? Wetin dey go through your mind? Say you sit down with another guy dey chop. Na your boyfriend. Ah.
Babe, calm down now. He's not my boyfriend. I'm a beautiful girl. Look at me now. Full option. Everybody wants to spend on me. He decided to offer me a free food. Babe, what do you want me to do? I accepted now.
Free food.
Yes.
Free food. Okay, so you know what? I don't chop the free food. When I come enter, why not tell her say, okay, hello, meet my man? Okay, you know if you tell her say, na me be your man. Abi, you know if you tell her say, na me be your man.
I didn't talk about that, but I mean, I don't need to announce to everybody that you are my man because everybody knows that you are my man.
You for tell am, make it know. Not be everybody know. You talk am for CNN, say I be your man. I wish everybody know. Why not tell am? Except say they shame to tell am say na your boyfriend be this.
How can I be ashamed of
no,
you?
nah, it be that.
It's not possible now, baby. It's not possible. Okay, let me tell you the truth. Let me tell you.
Don't
Okay, wait, let me tell you. I told him that you're my boyfriend. I told him that you're my man, and he apologized.
You tell am?
Yes.
You can't apologize?
Yes, said I should tell you.
You sure Abi they whine me?
Baby, I'm not whining you. I'm serious now.
Good. Now waiting I want hear be that. They tell them anybody we want collect your number. They tell them say you get boyfriend. In fact, they show them my picture like this. Make them see fine boy. Make them know say no be.
You're so handsome now.
No, they put am on my.
Fine.
No, they put am on my body, Joe.
I don't say it too fine.
Oh, you know wetin go even happen. You know wetin from exports. We no go dey go all those local restaurants. I go dey carry you comot from woods, places where you never go before.
Right?
You know what? Tomorrow,
okay.
just dress up, make we go Lekki.
Are you serious?
From Lekki, we go enter Ikoyi.
Ah, baby!
From Ikoyi to Banana Island. I want carry you shop.
Finish work.
Wetin do you? Where they come? You get Ebola?
Maybe tomorrow. I'll be so ready waiting for you, my love.
I don't miss you. I
can't wait.
So yeah, stand up. Enter car.
Baby, it's like that.
Enter, me do one round.
Just now your thoughts I wait.
No worry, guys.
Wahala dey your body. Oga Friday. Trouble no buckle for your side. Oga Friday. Wahala too much for your end. Oga Friday. Omo, see you, babe. Oga Friday. Now which kind family?
Lucia! 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 My princess. Lucy! Why leg get you like this? Eh? I don't tell you, you know they put leg for floor. Princess, you know they waka for floor. Eh, just your leg dirty. Well, how you dey?
If you back finish, I beg first front. Oh, you know that today come tomorrow.
What did they do yourself? So as I dey hail you now, you know like am. Na bad thing to hail you. To hail my princess.
But I know what you want now. You cannot just be hailing me. I know what you want. You got talk am, make a yarn.
Wait till you know where I want. I don't ask you for anything. I just want to make you give me.
I know. You know they. You know I don't get them today. Come tomorrow, borrow. You
okay,
know
wait, you know the
money.
I tell you say na money I want. How much? Okay, how much I want? You know even if na money, you know how much I want ask you.
You know what pass 10K. No worry, no stress yourself. Now 10K. You know what pass.
No wahala.
So I go carry that nonsense big bumbo woman. You know what pass her now.
No wahala. So because I dey ask you money now, I don't turn to another thing. Abi? Ordinary 10K.
Ordinary.
Now.
Okay, now ordinary. Now you don't get them.
No, sir. Is this I don't get money? What I get 1 million for accounts like this, but if I go bank, they will say me I go bring my next of kin, and that one day for 3 alone.
So you get this okay over there. What call
Yeah, I don't get data to call her. If not, I don't call her since. Now why?
my phone. That's my phone.
Actually, wait happen say, be like say yes, they arrest us some days ago, and I don't want to make anything wey concern criminality join my name. But no wahala, 10K.
The one yourself.
Okay, sure. Maybe like 9-8.
I no get. Ha.
6-5. I will find where I go.
I no get now. Now wow. Sky papa eh. You no get shame at all. You no get. Go beg money, beg food, beg everything join. See apa? My family, they don't get shame. They don't to get themselves at all.
Too much for your end. I'm see go babe. Now which kind of family be this? Every day I dance post.
Baby, anything what?
Are you serious?
Hello, good evening.
Like, can I take everything? Here?
Everything.
Like, I'll do take away. I'll take everything.
Everything you want.
Okay, babe. I want that one there.
Yeah, chicken.
I
chicken.
want this one too.
All right.
Then, when we're done eating, I'll have to take everything. Take
No
away,
problem.
like
See,
everything.
Anything.
Nothing will be left here.
Baby, anything.
That's my baby.
Do you have alligator? Okay, no
They
problem.
don't sell such
No,
here.
Give me 2 fufu. Baby, come and see.
Baby, don't do that. Don't embarrass me here, please. Please, we're just gonna take something very
Something like.
classy, something very.
That's right, baby. No worry.
I really want to eat food in the house.
Let me have wine.
It is well with my soul. It is well. It is. It is well with my soul. I don't understand. What? Hey. Hey. Head you go. Dead body go surplus oh. I don't understand oh. Head you go run for this place oh. Dead body go surplus oh. Make una come outside begin to answer question now. Who carry my money oh? Sure we go to sleep now. You're not going to wake up. Who carry my money oh? they come and second the answer question now because their body go surplus. But I come. I'm not sure that you take my money. Where my money there? Where my money there now? I know I'm vex for person now. I know I'm vex. Make head not begin to roll na because blood go full everywhere. Where my money there?
Hey, now what for you? Since when me and you did this house together, they live our life together, I don't ever thief your money before. I be things I can't go now, can't go thief from my own pocket. See, I know the difference between hustle and house rental. I know they're stupid to thief from me because I know when I did at my lowest, now you always they raise me up. Think now. Ha! Find a way, check.
Wait. Hold on. Hey! It don't happen. Papa don't take my money.
Oh!
Hey! God, I beg you.
Tell me something.
Papa don't take my money. This money they beg me money. I tell us I no get. I hear when they tell his girlfriend say he will carry and go expensive restaurants. Papa don't use my money go they flex. Okay.
Choy! Papa don't run things on your money, oh.
Voila. Now me and for this house.
What do you want to do now? What do you want to do now, Papa? When you say that Papa take the money? Because I know what you they do me for this house. When you can't me say I take that people money, even not when not be your money. So what do you want to do now, Papa? Take your own money?
I'll go to that restaurant.
Yeah?
Me and you go there. We'll go scatter. I go chop plenty. We'll go chop everything. You go pay that money. And if you pay and finish, I go still collect my money.
My guy! He walk! Papa don't do us for this house. He walk! But wait! How you want to know the exact restaurant where your bad dinner? Because I don't understand. You they follow them with your spiritual tracking.
That one is smart thing. You don't know me. Me, I know Papa well, but I know the kind of places where they go.
Oh!
No, go.
I did your back.
Go like this.
Sharp.
No, go. Now me want use. Now me want wine.
Baby, use fork.
Fuck how now? Fuck go slow me down now. Baby, eat it, yo.
You're embarrassing me, baby. Take it easy.
Baby, eat.
Take it easy.
What's happened? Take it now. That's what lovers they do now.
Okay.
So.
Oh my God. What in God's name is going on here? Why can't this miscreant allow us to enjoy our beautiful moments?
Baby, don't worry. I'll do this. Hey.
What?
What's my do for you?
Can't touch now.
Smack.
Hey, you can't touch this one with that.
If I slap you now.
Baby, don't worry.
Slap her now.
Hey, what you want to do? You want bitter?
My your mate.
You there okay?
No, Papa, you dey chop.
Shut up.
When you chop my Papa, you don't say you be my mate.
Not talk too much. No, talk chop.
Waiter!
Baby, don't worry. I can't.
Waiter!
I will follow them. Just eat your food. Don't worry. Eat your food.
Waiter, man! Who be waiter? Where's Sabo now? Make us about. Hold on.
Are you mad? You thief. Sorry, man. Wants to steal my phone.
You there okay? They swear for you.
I will shift the
Come on.
Sorry, what can I offer?
What can you offer? Like you have oha soup?
Yes,
You have what? What kind of swallow do you have?
we have semo, we have eba.
You have semo. Give me oha soup and semo.
Okay.
Then tell her, hey, explain what you
Now
want.
the same thing I want, my sister. If you don't finish, yes.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Four
wraps.
4 wraps.
For waiting.
And 10 fish.
Tail.
Okay, yeah, the tail.
What's up? No one shop again because you can't
Baby,
be
eat.
stole.
Baby, eat.
Don't joke.
Who is their mother?
Don't worry. Men shall no say anything when I chop here and I go pay. They look.
I don't carry money come out though.
Even me, my pocket empty. I'm not thief today, so nothing.
Now my papa you be papa go pay.
Baby, eat your food. Don't worry. Eat your
I'm
food.
not comfortable. I'm not comfortable again.
Baby, eat your food. Make I help you touch.
If I slap you,
Ow!
you are stupid.
Ow!
You said go bring them. Okay.
Please, Ow!
I get this guy. Yeah.
Take it easy now. Shut up. He's my boyfriend.
Okay, I understand. What for me? Make I keep this for ground. Oh, this place is fine though. Sorry, I didn't embarrass you.
Don't worry.
I
can go back.
Now you carry popcorn. Sorry, ma, we don't do that over here. Oh, what a mess.
Baby, you know what? Just eat.
Give me. I don't know whether they sell this for you.
Hey, if you ask for anything for here, I go help you order caskets. If they punch me, ask for anything again.
No, ask for takeaway, yeah? Okay.
This can't pick with this.
Hey,
God, I beg.
how did you get it?
This sweet.
Leave me now.
Wait, now make a taste now.
Hey.
Papa, go.
If I slap you.
Baby. Shut up. What you do? Go up. Shut up. Go up. Come here. If you say, oh yeah, come here. Come here. Go. Go up. Punch. You dey crazy. You dey crazy. Have you got one punch your mama for wasting? Baby, sorry.
What's going on there?
Sorry, baby, don't worry.
No,
I don't want to be here again.
Waiter!
I don't want to be here.
Waiter!
I need takeaway.
Why the waiter waste after this? Waiter! Come here. Where's she dey?
Thank you.
Abio, may not be associated with you ungrateful. Baba, thanks.
Oh yeah, jati.
No problem. You might get police station around this area.
Yes, I will do, sir.
Good. Call 911.
Oh yeah, jati.
This girl. Yeah. What's this? This one makes sense. Oh. This one.
Auntie Big Bomb. Alpha. What's up?
What's going on here? Like what do you want from me again?
What do you
You
want?
little rats.
You dey chop my papa money, you dey show where, you dey show for the backside. Alpha na. What's up?
What do you rats want from me? What is it again?
Okay, what you want from you is that you know say my daddy they give you money every time. So you know they whatever you say, my papa they carry all the money where you supposed to give in children, they give you like this.
Will you shut up? What does your father have? How much does he have? How much?
How much does he have? And they come meet am. They collect the little that you have.
I'm just managing him.
I just manage him.
Yes!
Child, it's good though. It's good as I'm managing him. Because God will send another person that will manage you. You see? Let me tell you something. It's not that me, I'm aware of your business, your side hustle. Aside from collecting money from my father, I know your side hustle. You are Ashi Odogu. The mighty Ashi.
What did you just say now?
Should I complete it? So that fire will catch everywhere.
Me, Ashawo?
Yeah.
Am I your mate? Am I your mate? Eh? What? Where's my bag open? Come here! Hey! Stop there!
Here. So you get mine now, the couple family meeting. Eh?
Lucia.
Okay, Papa don't come.
What did you do when you call for family meeting?
Sit down, Fred, no rush me.
See, that's Ogunwoki. What did you do when you call for family meeting?
Calm down. Calm down now.
Okay.
Calm down. Let me call the meeting. I didn't want to take the talk.
Oh yeah, I did hear. What happened?
Everybody. I want everybody's ear to be here.
Okay.
Because this talk what I want to talk is very important. So the talk be say, as I dey look off, I know they see hope. No hope, no future, nothing. So now that make me I want to ask you now, Papa. What do you have for us? What do you bring to the table?
Which table?
Our family table.
Dining table ni. So wait. Oh. Say no be na mates, the other children where they make their parents proud. I mean, I know they social media. I know they see all those small people where they make their parents. You know, you know, should you get TikTok? You don't know Pella and Jaffis. You don't know them.
You don't know RMD. You don't know Dangote. You don't know Tunde.
You don't know Ramsey Noah.
May we begin to call names. Now if you are our papa, that supposed to make us proud. If you drop speed, we go follow there they go. What you don't do for us?
What I don't do for you?
What do you have for our future?
Okay, no worry now. Wait in 1 year. Now today you go hear am. As I did like this, my papa don't leave anything for me. She buy. Shebi na see where they live. Now rent and they pay. I bet the time say na my papa get this house. Very good. Now same thing myself they do. Now the same footstep I dey follow. I don't get anything why they do for now. Nothing. If una self don born, if they born you well, leave something for your pikin. Don't leave anything. Make your pikin self, make the circle just continue like that. So that by the time when we reach heaven, when God call all of us together like this, when we line up, when they call all our extended family, we line up like this, they will just say, everybody, fire, down.
As they told this, she really catch.
Like, I don't understand, Baba. Which kind of talk can be this one and you not go? I don't understand.
I do understand.
That time say that so we won't live our life.
Which life?
Okay.
Oh, that time you say you get life. Hey, person they deceive you, you get life. So the life I give you as you come from everywhere I born, that will never do. What thing you want use life do? I don't understand.
Okay, that is part 1. Part 1 aside. Moving on to part 2. Part 2 of the meeting. I call this meeting because there's this movie I watched. That movie, in that family, that man is very rich. But he not come to one old house like that, me and family and children. He want call his that house, come the testing children, make you know whether they get good character, make you use one of them do next of kin. I beg, I take all the beg. I be good pikin. Use me do next of kin. I don't to suffer.
You dey mad?
Alright, no problem. Now listen, sit down, make you listen. Number 1. You see that film where they watch, you see they watch Nollywood. Now why? From now on, me now they watch horror film because now that direction our family they go. Okay? Say they hear me. Well, you get mind though. If they talk about next of kin, I be like person where the tell you say me I be next of kin to person. Next of kin. See, if you want collect next of kin, except say you want collect the remaining 75 wey remain for my hand, why I keep for that kitchen. I don't talk where I keep am. Remind me tomorrow when I call my lawyer. I want change where I keep the money.
But so what you come to try talk about?
I don't get any money where I want. No next of kin. Nobody be next of kin for this house. No go. So now why you call me to this?
No meeting I come I dey hope for my life, my future. My future depends on me. I don't know what I want my future.
Both of them the next of kin come. I never shop. They ask for next of kin.
But you stupid. You know say you stupid though. You come for useless family meeting that never reach you. Richness of kin. You carry your short self. The chook mark say na you be that. The first you born me.
The first you born they born criminal. They don't give next of kin to criminal. You be thief. Typical one. They don't give thief next of kin.
So hey, you were the
who chop the remaining beans so I put for kitchen?
Nai, catch up.
What up?
See what nice when you lose. Yeah, when you finish, you can't come here.
Nah, no, they do what you. Nobody go teach me what they do.
What if you don't do what nice when you do something go up? Stop
I
now.
don't understand now. Let me not do your own, make I do my own.
See, wait.
Waiting. Okay, leave me.
What make I leave you now?
Now you go tell me what I want to do.
You don't feel lose this thing. This thing na rubber. You
I don't care. Leave me, boss. Leave me.
Oh yeah, come this side. Just come this side. I beg. I know almost spoil person car. Stay here, eh? You see this not where they.
No, you go remove battery first. A battery go remove for this car.
Nothing do battery. Now who trying be na battery?
You there when the owner bring the car? You there? Bro, I not disturb me. Now battery you saying they disturb the car. Go lose the battery.
Your hand not go reach. Make I carry you.
We are carry. Hey! No carry. Hey!
If I see you near this motor again, you go straight and I go do you.
Be like one collect. Some people just dey craze. See car where you want me to repair. Wetin remain for that car? Life no dey the car again. Carry am go Mbuka make they sell the parts. They carry am for repair. See aqua. Yeah.
My sister. See, some people just for just to say the video carry anything come our workshop, we just dey fix am because we call ourselves engineer. See, you know that when I drive the car come for workshop, now by God's grace, now that car take follow me come back here. The car life don't finish. We supposed to write rest in pieces for the bonnet of the car.
I swear, that guy no get sense. I swear to God, he no get sense. Car where you supposed to just get money second hand. Use am go on Buka, sell the parts like this, cash out, Mugu. Sell everything that they repair.
But wait, now customer car will just dey talk like this for that. If the customer come now see us they discuss like this.
Person go die. Customer they feed me. Then you get out.
Lucy.
Then you get out.
Luciana.
But I get business plan. As that car dey like that now, you know say you no get nothing good will come out from the car. No matter how I want to fix it, I no go fix it right. What you go fit do like this? You know Mbuka? We will call those Mbuka people. Then they say we'll get business, they will come, they go break and sell the parts, give us our money. How you see am?
Oh, but I never fish that extent, eh? Well done.
But now one day they try everything now.
I never bad dish like that. Make we go sell person car, full car.
No be the car like the parts, you go sell them.
Not the same thing now. The person go carry a car today or tomorrow.
You tell them say something happen, maybe they still how much? If they say we reform, Papa go fit sort down. How much be the car if they want sell them?
I don't know say you thief pass. Well done. I dey go back to work.
Yeah. They say you no pass.
Before you go put evil thing for my mind. That's
na me get the idea.
Na me be the bad person.
Na me get the idea. I know say tomorrow night go want go sell am.
Go execute am.
Na me get the idea. If it happen tomorrow, if I find that car tomorrow, I swear me and you go get issue. If I find that car tomorrow, me and you go get issue.
Mechanic, I give you car make you repair. You can't even spoil am. Which car be that one?
Hey, Oga, abeg, calm down. Calm down. Let this be the last time where you go call me mechanic. If you want that, no dey ever call me mechanic. I'm an engineer.
Engineer behind that select. Engineer wey no work for this place. Both of you, in fact, all of you for here, you no sabi do anything, and you will pay for the damages.
Calm down now. Why they speak for my eyes?
That's where they craze.
I tell you say I need eye job. Without your mouth or the mouth. I don't understand. Other people they carry. You say you fit make my papa like this.
No, may come now. You say na chest.
People they carry Akpobi and flat tummy. They carry Akpobi and pot belly.
Both of you now go hear from me.
By the
time I come back, I will feed you. I go feed you now.
Nothing wey fit do. You call that one car. Car wey suppose carry go Sabo. May give man make dem dey use am dey fetch water. He say na car. Car call. That na car. Kasala na you carry. Better go use motor do giveaway. FFO. Like say dem use food do dey craze. Yeah. Aba, you still where the amala where I say me go buy. Where the amala where I say me go buy. This is the seat time. Amala never ready.
Babe.
Continue the work, no shele. You dey laugh, you dey. Yeah, Stella.
Babe.
Oh, baby. Oh, look at that work I did with it.
Calm down, baby.
You
You know I love you,
Stella.
right?
You know I love you,
right?
I know that one.
So I was just passing by.
Ma ṣiṣẹ́ lọ, ṣé wọ́n lọ ń bá sọ̀rọ̀?
Leave these people.
No mind now, Jare.
Baby, I just said I should come and see you because I need some money. Because I need to buy classy things for you.
Okay, you need some money.
Yes.
Aka. So like, what's happening? You say, say right now, right day like this, I dey very broke. Money no dey my hand, but if money don't dey, say I dey for you anytime, any day. So,
You're broke or you don't want to give me?
which one be say I don't want to give you? Say you don't ask me for something I no give you before. Which can't talk with that one? If I get, I go give you.
Okay, no wahala. You're using scope on me, right? No, that's what you're doing. Look at someone that I'm even managing.
Scope be the bawo.
Oh, you don't know I'm managing you?
You dey manage me?
Yes, I'm managing you. Look at this poor broke thing.
You dey manage me, Stella?
Please.
Stella, for your mouth, you dey manage me.
Oh, please.
Oh yeah, Stella. Man, sure. Stella. Okay, I go call you. Ọmọ yìí ló máa pa mí. Ọmọ yìí ló máa pa mí. Why this guy still dey cut my call? Wetin be all this one? Stella, why they do like this now? Why they do like this? I don't call you, just cut my call. Wait till happen, go.
So you have the effrontery to come to my house to look for me. Look at this thing. This stranded thing that I'm even managing. You're so ungrateful.
Wait, Stella, I don't understand something. Waiting happen, go. Wait, they make you they follow me, they talk like this. Waiting happen, I won't know. Waiting happen.
Please, just get out of my way.
Wait. Calm down, Stella, calm down. I won't understand waiting they solve for here. Say now because of today. Say you ask me money and I talk say I no get. Now today they ask me money, I know they give you. I tell you say I broke for now, you got now. Okay. No wahala, now I understand. I be think I like you before, I swear. Because I think say you better person. You dey tell me say you dey manage me. You dey manage me. You ever say if I dey buy you food, if you finish for your dinner, I go enter buy, go buy am. You dey tell me say you dey manage me. Okay, now no wahala. It is I don't know. Say all the boys wey dey this area, I don't off pan for them. So it is I don't know. It is I don't know. Say you be ashawo. Say they open pan for all the boys wey dey this area. It is I don't know. You get mouth. They tell me. Say they manage me. You dey manage me. Oh yeah, now no wahala. Continue to live your life now. Come. That's the fan wife. You go bring am. Go. You know wetin? No worry. That's the fan. And you go blow you till you die. You go blow yourself. You go get pneumonia. You never say anything, no. They manage me. I say they manage me.
Child. Breakfast now, natural, my mind. It go reach everybody. Don't fall for my papa. It don't dey easy in life, oh. Breakfast now, natural, my child. It go fall for everybody, oh. It don't fall for my papa, oh. You don't think about your life, child. I understand how you feel, child. It is well. It is well. Take a deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Life is all about breakfast. Chopping breakfast, digesting it, and moving on. If you chop breakfast and still stand there, that is when life will end. My brother, take heart. This is not the end of life. This is the beginning of your wisdom. At least you don't know, say, this life, nothing did life. Life where I don't day, like I don't day, my spirit don't damn. I don't see life. Life don't see me. I don't go through life. Life don't. Now I stand, I stoop low. They tell you, say, Abba, calm down, oh. No, they follow this woman, oh. Now only Ikebe she get, oh. But you don't listen to me because if you say Ikebe dey there for you always. Now when Ikebe don't disappear now, you don't get you don't weak. But all I have to say is that you're sorry. Take heart. Yeah? No. She don't trash you now because you never get money. You know, all the money, she don't forget all the money we don't dasha. You know, so you be the dasha money before. Now we don't work you. She don't leave. She no feel reason with you again. That's so sad. But now what I want to let you know is that I am going to be the weapon person against you now. Like what I'm going to do to you is your I'm going to thief you. I'm going to thief your money so I go thief past Cedric.
If they burn you where? Lucia, you dey hear me?
That's my name.
If they burn you where? Make I see you go near my money.
Okay.
If they burn you where? Make I just see you carry my money. I swear, me myself like this, I go break your bone. Go public school, go donate am to biological students. They go dey use and they do experiment. Hey, I promise you.
Game start.
Try am.
Game start now. You don't start like this. You don't start.
No wahala. Shebi that one even if you see money, if you see my money carry. Because from today like this, I go weather. They go help me wet kolo, iron kolo. And then I go dey put my money. No be you and your brother go send me go village.
Kolo na mountain. Kolo no be mountain. It can be moved. I will move it.
So you go carry my iron kolo.
I go carry am. Trust me.
They not born you where?
Okay.
They not born you.
You want better? You want better?
Oh yeah, na me better.
Oh yeah, bet.
You dey follow me bet. You dey follow. Loose. Give me 810 for them.
810. You don't reach 8 or you don't even reach 10 yet. Now only one day yet.
What be this? Say no say the.
You don't know it. You don't know it. Be
Shadrach.
810.
Ah.
Papa, say I'm here.
You don't reach 8 then. I think
Say no say go. Say no. He dey crazy.
Oh. So when I dey do at you know why you not come give an.
Una dey alright at all. Una dey alright. Now wetin?
Now them be this. Now them destroy my car. Arrest this man. This man will
All
be
of
here.
them.
Arrest them.
Who be them?
Who this one? Wetin be destroy? That English don't know for car wey already spoil before you carry am come here.
Ha!
Then they destroy na war of Jericho e be. Car wey don make you no need the quarter
Now you touch am.
I don't touch car.
You're under arrest. See this
You
your shop,
don't
eh?
arrest, you dey arrest person
The
wey dey.
address of this on our office, you don't cast for our station.
Ha.
No wahala because of you call police abi. No be who call police. No be who call police dey win case o. Kò sí wèrè. God, hey, both of God go punish you and na mama na dey craze.
No be me o.
You stand for there. You know go pack all this thing. Hey, they don't arrest me. Hey, what did they go like
I
that?
want to
Some
now.
people they go with your now. What do you want to do? Do it.
I complete the thing now.
Who go pay Papa if you complete it? What you did?
You go be get money wey go am bail am. You get money? See money. Go am bail am. Nice. So wetin you wan do like this make they release your shop? How much you go pay? I wan take pay.
I don't know. That's the way all the way they do. But I don't get any money. I won't give anybody like this.
Hey.
Make they still love the shop.
I go help you. I go help you. You know my papa. I go help you. If I no help you, nobody go help you.
I
You
want
say,
to help me.
you say, you know be mumu when they carry all your money they give woman. I know where you for day by now.
Come. Because say you won't help me, no mean say you go dey insult me. Oh.
Say I know it's I not give you the money again.
How much you want give me, sef? Wait, how much you get? Where you want
Man,
give me?
I not give you.
Oh yeah, give me.
You go pay with interest.
I go pay him. How much you want give me?
The house.
The money dey for house. Where for house the money dey?
I will. You want go to farm? You want go to farm? Calm down now. I'm go give you.
So you dey want me. You get money for where you want see money.
Okay, man. I know they're serious. So I want help you.
You know they serious.
Ah, Papa Shadrach. They don't beat Shadrach. Who injure on the road though?
Who be that? Shadrach for where?
Shadrach, what did he do?
Wait, how much is still now?
Oh yeah.
I go pay.
Give her kind of.
I beg. How much is still? How much you get now? How much is still from you now? 250K. Now my papa can you pay. It's still 250K. You see?
Send the money first. Send the money first.
Go where they go? I need to go anywhere. Hold this man. Calm down now. How much say still?
Now 250.
250K. Now I finish am job. 250K. Wait. Now they talk now. 250K abi.
Yes.
Now you still from
Now what you see with my papa Gary now? Hold up.
What I just see you come from this way, then my sister. Don't go ever thief again.
No talk am. You go thief. You who fight and run away. You fight another day. You go thief. In fact, na me go dey sponsor you go thief. Nonsense. I don't even know how we take relate. Now only thief dey your blood like this, nothing else. It is small to pack am. Don't put person for trouble for this house. I go just leave you one day. I go leave you, make they kill you.
I love you, sister. Nothing I will feel do without you. Thank you. I love you so much.
Okay. Lover,
Thank you, my sister.
you love me so much.
So much.
Because I'm not helping you to press your wound. You are not loving me so much. If it's to thief my money, if it's to cheat, if I keep something, you carry it. You will not remember that you love me so much. Oh.
I love you so much, my sister.
Ah!
So small now. Why
Okay, calm down. Let me do this thing.
Don't small now.
You will calm down. Love you so much. Now to cheat on me, now you carry everything what I buy. I keep money and I go cheat.
No press am again. Just carry your water.
Ah, press it now.
If you near me again, I go slap you. If you near me again, I go slap you. Which kind of wickedness be this now?
I know they're wicked. I don't. I press mommy. I press. No, now only me go do you good. Don't worry, just like that. Now only me. If I don't do, nobody go do. Don't worry, just like that.
If you near me, I go pour you this water.
You want do am?
Near me.
I no go help you do everything again for this life.
Go. Just go.
Let me put the towel inside. Give me.
I go pour you. If you want to make you just near me, I go pour you this water.
Steve, hold it.
Leave him. Come children, not just get future.
Where's he talk now?
You don't get future now.
I go get future. Future where your mama don't carry go since when? They look for future. Coco.
Friday!
Coco, now you be this.
Friday, it's me, Coco!
Coco, man, my body dirty now. Walk up my day.
Please bring it in with my dear.
Now you be this.
Yes, it's me. I've missed you.
Come sit down. Come stand up with her. Come sit down.
It's fine.
Coco. You say,
Mama.
where your mama? Lion the born goat. I be you no see your face, see her face. You be like your mama.
And my papa time say na my mama be this because we look alike.
And I take look alike. You don't see your nose. Your nose will be like nobody knows tomorrow. This one be like your mama. I bet Coco don't mind them, Daddy.
How have you been?
I do what I do.
You know, I said that once I get into town, I will look for you everywhere. And I've been searching for you.
You did search for me.
Yes.
Nah, mosquito will be.
I've been searching for you. Oh my God. How have you been?
I do okay. Come.
You know,
Come. Come, follow me. Let's go and punish you. Come, no, come. Go.
Where did you take both these 12?
Come sit down for you.
No, I'm fine. Bobo, so you still live in this house?
It's a good now. Where we go now every day.
No, now. But you should have just moved out. This place is not. I can't believe you still stay in this dump.
See, Coco, make I tell you something. Your memory for this house is plenty. Even if I come up for a year, I will still remember you. Plus, you know how much rent they talk for country now? Yeah, do. Country, yeah, do.
Babe, I understand. Move in with me. Just come live with me. I can't let you spend a night in this dorm.
Make I move in.
Yes, come live with me.
Coco, you know what? Maybe we no go that area. Maybe no go. Just leave us for where we dey like this. Maybe we manage. You see these two children where you see? If they enter your house, you no go like them. They stubborn, die. You see these two where you see? They stubborn.
Nah, I don't understand this one. How na Papa? What's the sup? Person say make he carry you come out from trenches. You say they tell him make he leave you. They born you born suffer.
You see wetin I dey talk? You see wetin I dey talk? I never even talk. You see the way she dey talk. All these children, we God they use do promo for heaven. You say I know I for wear condom when I dey meet their mama.
Yeah. Papa, all this kind of talk done the guys as they do. Why you dey on the underrators
Do you understand?
in front of our
Do you
guests?
understand?
Who we can't resemble?
Now your mama you resemble. I don't tell you before. Now mama na resemble.
Babe,
Baby.
don't worry. I don't mind. They should move in too. Please, let me do this thing for you now. You were there for me. You helped me even with your little. I beg. Wanna come live with me?
Yeah.
It's not a problem. The more the merrier.
No problem.
Come now.
Papa will go leave your things.
We will come. You say waiting.
Sorry, we'll go back.
Thank you, ma.
No, I'll make it. Cut it down. I'm back.
It's fine. Don't do. You too do. Welcome to my humble abode.
Jesus! Oh, good enough. You're here.
Yeah, make yourself at home.
Come down now.
Sorry. This sounds fine.
Thank you.
Do you ready to go now? Hey.
Actually, I bought it.
You waiting?
Yeah, I own the house.
Woman, they buy house. Man, they do mechanic.
Oh Lord, stop it.
They beg from mouth.
Saturday worry you. You okay?
Your house is fine.
Hi! Papa! This sounds fine.
You heard about this?
Sounds be like heaven. Now you then you put destiny.
God, make this guy more than locating me. I beg.
All right. I'll just let you people settle in. The kitchen is over there. Anything you want. Do you want me to offer you anything? Drinks, water, food?
Actually want
Come, what did you do yourself? Hey, but we first settle in first.
All right, that's fine. All right. Feel at home.
Mao, which room will go there?
Oh, that's true. Just come with me. I'll show you to your room.
Hey, calm down. I'm the man of this house. Let me do this.
For that man house? Sorry. Come carry your bag. Which one you want to go for? Carry your bag. Go upstairs first.
Oh my
Thank
God.
you so much, man.
You're welcome.
Put this seat.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Thank you, ma. Madam, I want to ask you one question.
Oh, all right. Come have a seat.
I just want to ask you, like, how you take meet my papa?
We used to know way back before I traveled abroad. Then it was just him and his son. He was living with his mother.
Child. Yeah. So why did you not break up?
Come to think of it, we actually didn't break up. You know, I had to travel abroad for my studies. Yeah. So we just kind of left things that way.
Wow, that's nice. You actually didn't break up. That means you are seeing good things. You are still free to go. But that means you are my mother. Are you?
No, I'm not.
No, you are. Because if you look at it the way I'm looking at it, you are my mama. See my cheek, see your own. See my nose, see your own. Now only you, out of all the people I don't see, now only you resemble me small. Look at me and you very well.
Whatever you say. Oh.
But maybe just sometimes you just sit down and try and know if you can remember anything that happened last before you.
No, I'm very much sure I'm not your mother. I'm loving the smile on your faces.
Thank you, ma. We smile for a living.
All right. Here is the receipt.
That calm down now. Everywhere you go, you show your talent.
What did you not get set? Madam.
Okay, it's fine. That's the receipt of your school fees paid in full. So now you can go back to school.
Thank you so much, ma. God bless you, ma.
Amen.
God will reward you 100 times, ma.
Amen.
God bless. At least like this is a great opportunity for me to more like a template for me to show my Wole Soyinka personnel, like the capability and the this
Oh, it's fine. Oh, don't worry, I understand. Oh,
Wole Soyinka.
that's good to know. All right, you guys should feel free. I'll be in my room.
Okay, thank you, ma. Wole Soyinka, man. You, they go give you award like this, award of illiteracy. They go carry, they go put for your head. You see this award?
Now your papa they will put them. If that will touch me, now I will change that for you.
Best in illiteracy, they go give you like this.
You uncle.
Nonsense.
You uncle. You go be the papa or you of the class.
They tell you say school get age. School no get age.
They say school gets illiteracy. Mugu. That's the blame.
Nonsense.
But that one they get in step at all.
I won't first thing say money dey inside.
Now receipt, ordinary receipt. Not say money dey inside though. Ordinary receipt. Start to mumu yourself. Anywhere you go drop signature. They go not say this person cross here. Mumu, you want show yourself anywhere.
Yeah, take now you she first give.
Why
Now.
you still come up
I don't
with
understand how you she first give. We can't carry this thing, but hold
yeah,
on.
we go start
Hold
here.
on.
I don't want to show my character
No
for
be
the
sharp
new
now. We
place.
dey big house, but hold on first.
Alright, this is a call. This kind of brother will go with punish me like this. I don't understand.
Now you be my punishment.
Yes. It's sweet too. Coco. See, Coco, me I no go lie you. You surprised me, because you know say my life don't spoil before. She, they watch all of you. Now so my life they go before you come.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. Oh, story plenty. Maybe no be today. Don't be the day to talk my story.
Well, at least I'm here now. I'm here for you, and I have missed you so much. Since I came back, I've been looking everywhere for you. You know, I almost got distracted over there, but I was like, no, I have to go back to my first love, the man that made everything possible for me to be here today. I missed you. And thank you so much. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for sacrificing your own need to make sure that I am forever grateful to you.
Coco, you see this way they do. Like, I still don't believe I saw you be angel. Because many people wey person help, no, they even reason the person again if they don't make am. Or just move on with their life. Some people no fit try am. I they tell you, some people know they even remember where them. They don't go with that.
Well, I be Coco. I know be some people. And I will never forget whoever helped me in the past. Come to think of it now, how will I forget my boyfriend? And I love you, so I can't forget you.
You do it.
I'm here to stay.
You love me?
Yes.
Coco, don't they whine me now?
Why would they whine you?
Yeah.
Yes, I said I love you. Oh, you don't love me?
I love you.
I know you too.
Your lipstick is sweet though. I love you too. I don't get time. Yeah. Okay, yeah. This has been
See. Now you just a follow better woman. You dey follow me, not be that nonsense.
No, allow her to talk now. Leave her alone.
Allow me to talk. No be that nonsense unemployed woman where they carry and shop and down. Now if they even collect all in savings, they give that one. All of them. It's not that you have small sense. Now you are following better person. See how your life has changed.
Come, wait till you talk now.
I said now you are following better person. Your life has changed.
Shut up your mouth. I be like waiting that they take do sacrifice.
Oh, don't enter new house or new house, new lifestyle.
Guys, it's okay.
No man
it's
like
okay. It's okay. Everybody just calm down, eh? You know, moving on, I think no more vulgar words, no more fighting. You guys should stop insulting your father.
Abio.
Because if you insult him, it's like you're insulting me and his soon-to-be wife.
Mommy. Mommy.
Why you know they use your sense? Stop behaving like an illiterate every time. She says soon to be mom. She no say mommy.
Okay. Soon to be mommy, not be mommy.
No be mommy.
Okay. My son, mommy.
It's fine. You can call me mom anytime, now, later, whenever.
Have you heard it? Sorry, mom. Mom.
It's fine. Okay, so everything is going to change. Stop insulting yourselves. And most importantly, please, no more stealing. Just if you need anything, ask.
I don't even born away me steal for you.
Only like professional one. Used to. It's no vulgar. The vulgar me they crazy.
Hey, what of that decrease?
No vulgar.
Okay,
No vulgar. No
That's
vulgar.
stupid.
No vulgar.
All right, so let's take a selfie. All
Okay.
of us, please.
Yeah. Come, Michelle, are you short fast? How will take see you?
You go see you.
Oh yeah, come make I help you. Come make I help you.
Oh ma, kilo deo, wahala dey your body. Trouble no buckle for your side. Wahala too much for your end. Omo, see go babe. Now which kind family be this? Oh, every day na gbas gbos gbos. Oga Friday. Wahala dey for your side.